What up, Internet? I am the PCGoblin. And in this video, we're going to be building my new computer. So I've got the EVGA x299 Dark, the brand new i7-9800X, and the reason I'm running with this setup is I want all my PCIe lanes for my 2080 Ti's, and this really isn't much more than the brand new 9900K that Intel just released. And to me, it seemed like it was basically the exact same chip. I know it's not, it's fundamentally a bit different, but it's got 8 cores, 16 threads, and it can be overclocked. So I imagine I can push this to about the same clocks that the 9900K can, so call it a wash on that. And then 1TB 970 EVO, 32 gigs of Trident Z DDR4 3000 megahertz memory, and a 1600 watt T2 EVGA power supply. And all that's going into my brand new Evolve X. Let's get this started. that's it for showing you the build on this. I'm not going to be peeling the plastic off just yet because I'm honestly not quite done yet. I'm going to be throwing in a custom loop on this to cool the processor. The processor gets super hot and the cracking just isn't enough to cool the processor to my liking. So I'm going to custom loop on there, and it's going to have a 360 and a 280 rad just for the CPU. I'm not going to be cooling the GPUs because I'm not sure I want to water cool them yet because I like the easeability of being able to pull them in and out. Honestly, it's another $400 just to cool those. I don't see much benefit from doing that yet. It doesn't mean I won't. It can always be added in later, but at this time, just going to be cooling the CPU. So look out for that video. And if you like this video or have any comments on what I did to my PC, go ahead and let me know down below. If you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more of my stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching.